They had everything, yet they lost the one thing that mattered most. 5 brothers lived together in a grand mansion-like home, built by their father's hard work and their own shared dreams. From the outside, people saw strength, wealth, and unity, and many even felt a quiet respect when they passed that house. Inside those walls, laughter once flowed easily, meals were shared, and problems were faced together as one family. In those days, they believed nothing could ever break them apart. But time has a way of testing even the strongest bonds. Slowly, almost without notice, small arguments began to rise, not between the brothers at first, but between their wives. Simple words turned sharp. Small misunderstandings became daily fights, and the air inside the house grew heavy. Each brother tried to stay silent, thinking it would pass, thinking peace would return on its own. Instead, they started listening more to anger than to wisdom, and more to complaint than to truth. One by one, the brothers began taking sides, not based on what was right, but on who spoke louder at home. What used to be family discussions turned into cold arguments, filled with blame and wounded pride. The house was still grand, but the hearts inside it were growing empty. Days passed, then months, and the distance between the brothers became impossible to ignore. They stopped eating together, stopped supporting each other, and slowly stopped trusting one another. Walls were built inside the same house, walls made of ego, anger, and silence. Finally, the unthinkable happened. The brothers separated, each going his own way, breaking the home into pieces. When unity was gone, something else changed too. People who once feared their strength now saw weakness, and those who once stayed away now dared to attack. Business deals failed, respect faded, and outsiders began taking advantage of their division. One brother was cheated, another was insulted, and another was pushed aside like he no longer mattered. Alone, each brother struggled more than all 5 ever did together. In quiet nights, regret whispered loudly, reminding them of what they had lost. They remembered how problems once felt smaller when shared, and how strength once felt natural when united. Too late, they understood a painful truth. Fighting inside the home never brings blessing. Where there is constant conflict, there is no peace, no growth, and no lasting success. A house divided cannot protect its people, and a family divided cannot stand tall for long. The lesson is simple, yet powerful. Never let daily arguments destroy lifelong relationships. Never allow outside voices to break the bond between brothers. A man who blindly follows anger at home often loses respect outside it. True strength is not loud shouting. It is calm understanding and quiet unity. 5 brothers, 1 house, and the fight that ruined everything. When a family breaks inside, the world attacks outside. Unity is strength. Division is destruction. When families choose peace over pride, they gain something greater than wealth. They gain stability. And when brothers stand together, no enemy feels brave enough to strike. Remember this: unity brings blessing, and division brings loss every single time. Choose harmony over hatred and protect your home before it's too late. Every story, a lesson. Every lesson, a life. If this story touched your heart and you felt even a tiny push to start something, hit the like button. And if you want more short, powerful, emotional, motivational stories, then subscribe to Tale Viva and turn on the bell icon.